Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the latest software update details on the iQOO 7 device. Yes friends, finally on the August 16th, the new software update, which is a 1.72.12, has been arrived in my device. So in this video, I'll try to talk about the size and features, all the details as well. And last update I did receive on the June 22nd, which is a 1.7.9. So after that, I did not get any other update in this iQOO 7 device. So it's been kind of 50 days since I received any kind of past update in this phone. Friends, what is the size of the update and what are the features got added with this kind of latest update, which is the 1.70.12. So finally, I think this is a third batch of users will be receiving this iQOO 7 device. So final batch. So I mean, most of the users by this time, they should get the latest update in this phone. In case if you did not receive the update, let me know in the comment section below. So I just want to see how many users still did not get the update. So I think if I got the update, most of the people should be getting, because I'm the last one to get the updates in this iQOO 7 device every time. So right now, as you can see, friends, these are the few details got updated, which are related to the system and which are related to the game. So there's no other information regarding the network issues or anything, nothing about the camera as well. Only these two things got fixed here. So in terms of the gaming, so we can definitely expect the 4D vibrations and other features got enabled in the Battlegrounds mobile game. That's another thing which I'll definitely do the testing as well later on. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So right now I'll try to download and I'll try to see how much time it actually takes to complete install this process in this iQOO 7 device. So right now friends, I came to Bangalore and I did bring the iQOO 7 device with me as well during my small short trip, because I'm not sure when the iQOO 7 device will be receiving the update. So as soon as I got the update, I thought of making a video. So before this, I came outside of the Bangalore just to visit some of the places. But once I got the update message in the iQOO 7 device, so immediately I came to room to record this video, and then I can plan my trip as well for the day. Because I'm getting plenty of comments on this iQOO 7 device most of the time, because they did ask me, bro, can you please make a video once after get the update, because they want to know actually whether I got the update or not, because I need to do further testing on this device. So mainly on the battery life and on temperatures and on performance, whether it got decreased or not in this phone. So I thought of making this as a priority right now to record this video and upload, and then I will try to plan my trip in the Bangalore. So right now, let's see friends how much more time it actually takes to complete install this iQOO 7 device. So I'll try to mainly focus on the gaming as well this time. So Battlegrounds mobile gameplay and all those details I'll try to definitely focus for the next few days on this device. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos friends, in case if you're interested to know everything about this iQOO 7 device. And right now it's still updating, so it should not take much time, but still. And don't forget to comment below in case if you have the iQOO 7 device, and in case till now if you did not receive the update, let me know in the comment section below. I just want to see how many users did not receive still in the iQOO 7 device. I think most of the users should be receiving the update today itself on the August 16th. So as you can see friends, finally right now our apps are optimizing, and finally at around close to 3 minutes of time. So around close to 3 minutes of time, the complete software installation has been completed in the iQOO 7 device. So finally friends, my phone has been updated to the latest version, which I am waiting for the past few days and I think few weeks, which I'm desperately waiting. So for the next couple of days, I'll try to do intense testing on this device. So make sure to stay tuned and don't forget to ask the questions in the comments what videos you want me to upload. See you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing